In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in your Sellfy store. Whether you're looking to tailor your store for a different audience or simply prefer using another language yourself, adjusting the language settings is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Sellfy dashboard. You can do this by visiting Sellfy's official website and entering your login details. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your store. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find a menu. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Store Settings. This section is where you can customize various aspects of your store, including its appearance, payment settings, and more. Click on Store Settings to proceed. As you scroll through the Store Settings page, keep an eye out for the section titled Language Settings, or, as it may appear, Store Language. This section is crucial for adjusting the language in which your store content is displayed. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu listing all the available language options. Go ahead and click on this drop-down menu. You'll see a selection of languages that Sellfy supports. Currently, the platform offers several choices, including Automatic, English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, German, Italian, and Russian. Choose the language that best suits your needs. For instance, selecting Automatic allows the store to display the language based on the visitor's browser settings, which can be a great way to accommodate a diverse audience. After you've made your selection, it's essential to save these changes to ensure your preferred language is applied to your store. Look for a button that says Save or something similar within the interface. Clicking it will prompt Sellfy to update your store's language settings accordingly. You'll know the update was successful when a green banner appears on the screen. This banner serves as a confirmation that your changes have been saved. It's always a good practice to double-check to ensure the correct language is now visible across your store. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language settings for your Sellfy store. This process is simple but powerful, giving you the flexibility to manage your store's language presentation effortlessly. Whether you're catering to a new set of customers or just want to see your store in your preferred language, Sellfy makes it easy. Feel free to explore other settings within the dashboard to further customize your store. Experimenting with different options can ultimately help you create a more engaging experience for your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.